I don't know when you'll be watching this, but in August 19th, 2019, Google made an announcement that in September 17th, approximately a month later.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
There's going to be a major change in ad delivery for Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords. And here in bold is what it says: standard delivery will be the only delivery method for search campaigns, shopping campaigns, and shared budgets. And accelerated delivery is no longer available. So if you've been running Google Ads for a while, you will see they always ask you, how do you want to do your spending? Do you want to spend your budget in an accelerated delivery or standard? And people have been wasting money doing accelerated delivery because Google just runs more of your ads and runs through your budget faster. But the idea really is to do better targeting, not more random, faster ad delivery. So a lot of people have been wasting their money, and just to stop that, I think Google is stopping this entire business of accelerated delivery. So if you're watching this afterwards, you're never going to have that choice. Should I do accelerated delivery? Because it probably won't be possible for you. But you might be wondering, where did it go? If you've been running ads before, and so that's where it went. Google's taking it down.